Welcome to SoSoValue's Furry News Studio. I'm your host and CIO, SoCatus, brings you the latest crypto market updates with max personality. Let's go through the crypto news worth paying attention today, according to SoSoValue. The first is, Bitcoin's price has fallen below 80,000 USD, leading to a decline in the cryptocurrency market. According to TradingView data, the ETHBTC ratio is nearing a 5-year low. The block's GMCI 30 index shows that the top 30 cryptocurrencies have collectively dropped over 6%, with a year-to-date decline of over 32%. However, Pi Network and Zcash have seen gains against this trend. This drop is related to the international market opening under an uncertain macroeconomic environment, as US President Trump imposed significant tariffs on most countries last Wednesday, resulting in the worst stock market performance. Injective CEO Eric Chen stated that Bitcoin might perform better due to changes in market structure, with demand coming from retirement accounts, macro funds, and corporate treasuries.
Tick tock, follow the rhythm, follow the rhythm.
Next news, Mine Network OpenFA, token airdrop inquiry. Next news, amid escalating tariff tensions, President Trump denied any intentional market manipulation, saying he's been in talks with both European and Asian leaders regarding tariffs. When asked about the market's reaction, he remarked, "Sometimes the market just needs to take its medicine." Wow, leaving investors wondering just how bitter this dose might get. Next news, White House officials say federal agencies must report their crypto holdings to Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent by tomorrow, per a presidential order. However, it's unclear if or when they will be released. Next news, the SEC's Division of Corporation Finance released its latest guidance on stablecoins. According to the department's assessment, fully reserved, highly liquid, and USD-backed stablecoins do not qualify as securities. This determination is based on several key reasons. First, the seller uses the revenue to fund reserves, and buyers are not incentivized by the expectation of returns. Second, the distribution method of stablecoins does not encourage speculation or investment trading. Rational buyers typically do not consider stablecoins as an investment. Finally, the fully reserved funds can always meet redemption demands, which further reduces their risk. Therefore, the primary purpose of issuing stablecoins is to promote commercial and consumer use rather than speculative investment. Wow. 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 Next news, the game project Infected will migrate from Base to Solana, citing scalability issues with EVM chains. Infected sees Solana as stronger in culture and user base and plans to launch more simulation games on Solana this year. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and share the news to your friends. See you tomorrow.